I'm getting ready to go to my friend's house, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get there, cause I'm finna leave like right now. And I decided to pick up the camera, like really. This is.
Oh my god, this is also. Is it started?
Yeah.
Hey, stop!
Y'all are making it awkward.
Stop.
Yeah. Why are we acting like this?
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Big K, period. Y'all follow me on Instagram at itx.kata. What's up, KG? It's what's up, what's up? What's up, KG? It's your girl KG and girl Kiana, and we're back with another video. Okay, that's it. Okay. Before we start today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. If you hit that notification bell, you would never. When I say never, I mean never, ever. Period. Hey guys, welcome to my house tour. Welcome to our channel. So today we're going to do a backyard tour.
Yeah. Shit.
And then this is, that is our pool and our pool stuff. And you come out here. This is
Let's see how green it is.
Stop.
Yeah. I knew y'all.
Where my dog?
Oh.
And then this our backyard. It goes all the way back.
Okay. This is the way.
No, I'm so sure this is literally the backyard. It goes all the way to the bank.
Can y'all stop? This is nature.
We know, but it goes all the way. Like, look, you look back there. It's a pink string right there. That's where it ended.
Y'all sure y'all ain't had that? Y'all.
Boy, stop! Get over her stuff. Was the garage up when you came here?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so ghetto. Your dad probably looks like this every day. Let's just start the whole thing.
Hi.
Come on, Raya.
Y'all are ghetto. I didn't realize how ghetto. No, that's not how you get out the car. So we just came to Publix. We about to go get our juicy pumpkins.
Look at the pumpkin pie.
What? Ew.
I can only eat potato cookies.
You eat, wait, you rather eat sweet potato? Yeah, hold on. Y'all, the pumpkins they got are ugly and they look fake. They look fake.
What look fake? No pumpkin.
They look real fake.
Have you ever caught the pumpkin before? Are we getting small ones?
Them's ugly. I never been a small type of guy. I don't get small pumpkins.
That's a high pumpkin. I want this one. This one pretty.
Can we?
Got no stem.
Yeah, we finna go. Me and Kiesha don't. Yeah. Them pumpkins $1.
She would be a cheap hoe so bad.
I know. Checking's account look that cash out looking real. Her main bank what? Cash app.
What I call a bank is free. I got American Federal and I got me. You got one little Wells Fargo. Don't play.
Oh no, I'm Navy Federal.
You got nets on this stuff. Yeah, that's all it is.
Mango?
Oh, that's a mango. I thought it was a lowly. Oh, no, we could call it cantaloupe.
Oh, let's try this. I will buy one.
Yo, what is this? This jackfruit?
Are you serious?
What?
Jack.
I'm in suffer. I don't really know my fruits like that. This a cantaloupe. Yeah, let's try one of those. It's interesting other than pineapple. I mean, pumpkin. Okay, so what we finna do?
Dude, let's go back up there and get some pumpkins. These pumpkins are ugly as.
They don't got no skin. No, look at that.
Oh, so they are. Okay.
Y'all give me your pumpkin.
I don't want mine to be this big. That one?
Yeah. No, that one.
This one?
That one.
Hold the carrots.
Hey, look at me. I'm trying to be strong. All the other ones ugly.
That's gonna look funny for real.
Oh no, I want this one. This one over here. Like a good 30.
I thought they was like 30.
That's yours or mine?
Well, you want one? I don't want one.
Okay, I don't want one with no stem. Okay, shut up. I'm gonna steal yours in the car. These ain't. Can you? Oh, get this. Oh, that's big. That's big. I want to hold it.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Okay, guys, so I got the camera doesn't look really focused. Okay, there go them, y'all.
You cannot forget that big old pumpkin.
Why?
Okay, no, give me that pumpkin. You better like, you have to take all the stuff out.
I know. Yes, I can.
Mouse can get that one.
Mouse getting that one, guys. That look big. You taking that home with you?
Oh no, these pumpkins staying in. We just gonna carve them.
Okay, we need to get some knives because we don't got enough strong knives for that.
Like, don't you get like the stuff like that? So we got our little 3 pumpkins.
Wait, it's somebody behind you.
This is Kiasia. That's Smile. That's mine.
I'm sorry.
And then,
I'm so sorry.
No, it's not.
Mine's like shaped perfect.
Thank you. Yeah, okay, let's switch. I paid $5 to switch.
So guys, we just got our pumpkins. Mine is the biggest. Mine is the biggest.
Yeah, that's Miles. His look this farm in the back though, but it's cute. Oh, let's get a cookie, Mouse.
Huh?
Let's get a cookie. Right there. What?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all got the ones with the pumpkins on them?
Yeah, let's get fall. But them not real pumpkins, so let's just get.
Okay, show it to the camera. So, should we get? Okay, which one for real? The one with the pumpkin?
Get that one.
But we carving pumpkins.
Yeah. And I'm gonna need a little thumbnail, so we need pumpkin.
Get that one then.
But I wish it was actual. That's just a ring, like.
Now you want an actual pumpkin? Exactly.
Real hot girl shit. DA got that baby, that's my baby. Friends and the mom hate bro. Lay down on the bed, do cry, baby. She ain't gave me nothing, puss in a while. She had to put weight, I don't mind waiting. Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, yeah, want me keep on my diamonds for 6? What's your name? Keisha.
We just cashed out. Y'all, you know how cheap pumpkins are?
It's just, I thought pumpkins was cool little sweet $30. This lady said this pumpkin was $7.
That little bitch a player. If her friends ain't around to record it, she been over, shake that little ass in the mirror. Like, damn, what a nigga gotta do for your number? Shorty came through with that hair so good, I said, fuck it, I ain't using no rubber. Wait, she make that
We wanted to get this plastic that's not gonna cut through a
No,
pumpkin.
this is the type of stuff that you use. Like, if y'all gonna do it right. Don't nobody use them.
You know that, Keisha, imagine this cutting through, you know, like.
It's gonna cut through my pumpkin.
Wait till you.
But I haven't seen your mom and dad in a long time.
Yeah, they barely come over here.
I know. Yeah.
But hi.
Okay, good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Real hot girl shit.
Y'all, we just got our pumpkins.
Let's go. Can I start on mine?
Yeah.
I'm taking.
No, and like I think, can we like take a picture with our pumpkins like on our phone? Yeah, that's good.
You gonna heart that one so we know?
Exactly.
Let's cart a pumpkin. Can we cart a pumpkin? I always want to start some food down here. Oh,
Cuphead good.
my pumpkin big. And she knows she big. So have y'all just eat the pumpkin seeds?
No, you gotta like bake them, season them.
So you can't eat them raw?
I mean, you can, but I don't think they're gonna be good for you.
Yeah.
I mean, you can eat anything.
I know you can.
Yes, you can.
So you can eat raw meat.
If you wanted to open some bleach and drink it, you can do that.
But bleach not.
Okay.
You can't even cook bleach.
I'm just. Okay, we should have got a big ass.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna
Hey guys, so we're back.
We just got done cleaning up our little table from all the guts we spilled. Table's clean. Pumpkins are on the bench. We're about to put them on the table.
Alright, come on.
You gotta like trace them.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them this way since we're gonna be carving this way.
Okay.
So now we're about to carve our pumpkins and we're gonna see who carved them the best. I think I'm gonna just do a classic one, but I wanna put my pumpkin like on my head. But they don't wanna even put their pumpkins on their head.
Yes, I told if I had weave, I would be.
Where are all of the knives?
They didn't say anything. But the other one, they on the side too. The thing upside. Yeah, Sharpie don't even work. You gotta do that one. What's the number?
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys, we up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied, I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died, they won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied, ayy. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan.
So now what part is coming out? That part or this part? You wanna have your little photo shoot in the backyard? Put it on? Your head not that small.
Ooh, that's gonna cut off my pumpkin.
Oh, your tooth fell out, Keith. Ooh, your tooth fell out. Lady. Okay, it don't look bad. You look cute, girl.
Hi.
Girl, hi, Miles. Miles, say to the YouTube video. I'm not looking like this. Why you look pretty? Look at him. Really, Miles? You can't even see. You know you can't see. He looking out the nose. Now look at Miles. Okay. Okay.
Sorry about the mess.
Sorry. We're gonna clean it. We cleaned it up real quick last time. My hair looks so bad.
I
Just
actually
take
like
your
it.
picture.
Like, I actually like
It's
it.
cute. Let me see. Who took that? Leah. Okay, guys, so we clean it up right now. He ain't do nothing but sweeping. I swear he's a butler or something.
I'm getting paid $3
Okay, 3. Okay, but we're finna make these little cookies. Hold on, let me show y'all cookies. We're gonna make some cookies, but y'all, we try to grab the pumpkin ones, but they ain't got them out. They only got the Thanksgiving ones out. So we finna make those and watch a movie, but we don't know which one we're gonna watch. I don't want to watch no Hocus Pocus.
I haven't even watched the first one.
Me
so
neither.
It's not even gonna make
That's
sense.
gonna be pointless to watch the second one. So let's watch Girl vs. Monster.
What the hell is that?
You never watched that? Oh, you motherfucker watch that?
Is it like a tall girl?
No.
Like a tall girl with blonde hair and like a blue jello monster? Blue jello.
No, sweet. I'm gonna stop you right there. I'm stopping right there. No, it's basically about this girl. Her parents are monster hunters, and she didn't know.
So why we watching something y'all watch?
Because I love that movie.
That's not for everybody.
Okay, let's watch Hocus Pocus.
That's like my friend Dahmer.
No. Let's watch Hocus Pocus. It's pumpkin seeds out in
We
this
gotta
shit.
call the first one though.
But that movie's too old for me.
If you got bad
Like my mama watched the movie
video
in like 8th
turn
grade.
it off.
Wait.
I want you to stop doing this part right now.
Got my mess.
Yes. Cause you just make it seem like
What he said? He was like, y'all, they got me sleeping. Like, that was the actual tweet. Exactly. He don't want something. What is moving? So y'all, this is our pumpkins. That's Key.
That's the Big Key, aka this is by Big Key and this is Mini Key.
Okay, guys, this is my pumpkin. Her name Keisha, Big Keisha, and I'm Big K. Yeah, this Miles pumpkin. Come put on your.
Gerald.
Gerald?
He was ready to say that. Put on your head.
Oh me? What the? Oh.
Mama, we recorded.
Oh, who?
Can I put you on the camera, Mama? Can I put you on the camera?
I just said hit the camera. No, I'm not. Why you look pretty? They just gonna have you.
They just trying to turn around.
I don't need my turn around.
How to get her?
Okay, Jen. Okay, well, I'm about to do more pictures. And they going on Instagram.
How you doing? Oh my gosh, they said you was all in her face. She was so uncomfortable.
We're gonna be back with you guys later. Alright. Huh?
You saw it.
What? It says safe to eat.
When it's cooked.
Safe to eat raw.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. We probably took 2 minutes.
Ew.
No, nasty thing? Why are you just throwing them like that? Mel, stop!
Wait.
Because you're not supposed to throw them like that. It's kind of like...
Yeah, see,
That's
that's where you grew up.
What?
What?
Can you please throw this bag out? I am. I was gonna throw it out. Mouse, stop, because you can't even have that meaning on the thing.
Okay, I'm done. Okay.
Now spread them out. Because look how they all buttoned up together.
Make sure you do it classy.
Okay. No, don't pour the oven. The oven dirty.
Okay. Oh, do you wanna?
Alexa,
Do you
set the timer for 9 minutes.
Do you wanna put rain?
9 minutes, starting now. While you wait,
You gonna put
do you
rain?
want to listen to the station J. Cole on Amazon Music?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
So my camera's going dead, guys. It's about to die in like the next 2 seconds.